Alright, here on my rooftop for another launch from SpaceX. We got a Falcon 9 booster going up tonight. If you're here on Space Coast, get ready for a supersonic boom. Yes, it's landing back down. It's not landing on drone ship Bob or Doug. It is landing back at the Cape. That's going to be interesting. So we are 30 seconds to launch. We're going to sit here, try to freeze our balls off, and here we go.
Coming up in 20 seconds. 15 seconds.
Dude,
And here we go. 10.
I'm trying to get in focus, Cletus.
7.
It's
6,
up.
5,
We're behind.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, here we go, all the way in. Hey, you wanna work that camera for me?
Of the Falcon 9
Cletus?
rocket. Falcon 9 has now cleared the tower on its way for its first
I
flight
can focus
from
on this.
Florida in 2024, carrying the OBS on 3 satellite. Let's listen to the roar.
You wanna work that camera?
of these 9 Merlin engines.
Hey, click. Work that camera for me. I gotta get off the tripod. Yes. What a picture. What a picture.
It takes us 33 seconds into flight.
He's going out that way. I'm gonna stand up.
No, I got this. Go ahead.
Some great news from your tracking camera here at the press site.
There we are.
It's tracking views from Pete Carson's as the Falcon 9 climbs up into the clouds. A little more than a minute into flight. Tracking not the easiest this evening as the Falcon 9 is climbing in and out of some clouds from the ground's perspective. Brad Bernstein doing a great job of tracking it so far this evening.
That's
As is Pete. Chuck.
Overshoot it.
A T plus 1 minute 30 seconds into flight. Less than a minute left in the burn of the first stage. Those Merlin engines produce 1.7 million pounds of thrust. Some views from SpaceX's tracking camera here.
Whoa.
There's going to be
Here we go.
a bit of action here.
That's a good one.
Is coming up at T plus 2 minutes and 13 seconds. It'll be followed 3 seconds later by first and second stage separation. Coming up on Miko here right now. Stage separation next.
Focus.
We should see second stage engine start. Yeah, a little hard to track through the clouds here. About 2.5 minutes into flight. You see stage separation on the SpaceX feed onboard cameras there.
That is so cool.
Holy crap, tell me you're getting that.
Yes, sir.
That boost back burn now underway.
Wow.
First stage booster.
Now you see when I said come to the
performance
roof?
flip maneuver
Heck yeah.
coming up on 3 minutes into flight.
I'm putting the camera down. That's too beautiful.
That
Bearing
is.
deployment is going to be
Yeah, it's weird when it goes out that direction. Because it
bearing
normally hangs that
separation coming
right
up
there.
in just a
Yeah.
couple of seconds here. You can see a little bit of the shadow of the booster on its own plume as it's performing that burn right now. Boost back burn will last 1 minute. It's wrapping up on the SpaceX feed in just a few seconds
Again,
here.
pulsing up north above it.
That is so beautiful. Now, it should come back down right about there.
Look above you. Look at the very. There's the piece that's in front of you at the very top of all that.
There you see
Talking about
That's the
bridge
hull
fins
coming back.
deploying there. Coming up next, the next milestone.
That's
is
why it's
at
pulsing,
T plus
it's
6
floating
minutes,
back.
10 seconds for the first stage.
It's re-guiding itself back to us.
Ain't that beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Not many people can see that one.
we get to see the whole thing tonight.
Usually it's Bering Sea landing.
And it's a lot of time we can't never see it.
Nah.
Clearly.
Again, the first stage boosters coming back to a landing at Landing Zone 1 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station.
Yeah.
So I get it back in focus when we come back down. Zoom up. This is gonna get brighter.
Then it lands right here in the lake.
For sure. That'd be badass, man.
We'd be on the news.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
Two guys on the roof.
Hey, guess what?
What?
All the houses surrounding it just got paid for.
Mine just got paid off. Because I'm gonna have the best footage ever. Shoot.
I'm gonna go and grab a piece and have you stick it in my jugular.
No.
Just
No.
enough.
Oh, here we go, separation.
And we're starting to get some views of the booster, T plus 5 minutes, 16
Yeah,
seconds.
I
See those ground-based views of the
Maybe
booster
about
on the
12
right-hand
seconds
side of the
behind.
screen. Still
All
on
right,
board
how many
camera
minutes we
views
in a
on the
flight?
left-hand
8 minutes
side.
it usually come back down.
It says 5
Coming
here.
up
We got
at
about
T
2
plus
minutes.
6 minutes, 10
About 2
seconds. That
minutes,
is when
depending
the
on the
first
speed of
stage
the
entry
booster
burn
tonight.
will begin.
Which it should come down right between the smokestacks. It'll come down more to the right to the smokestacks. If I'm correct on this.
Yeah. Here it is.
Coming up on 6 minutes into the flight
Trying to get
here.
trying to get it zoomed in. Yeah.
Just a little over 10 seconds
Gotcha.
away from the
Found
first
it.
stage
Oh, lost it. Found it.
entry burn
Lost it.
beginning.
This
Slowing the
room
rocket
is
down
so
ahead of its
tight,
landing
dude.
burn back at landing
Oh,
zone
look.
1.
Oh no, it went out.
Entry burn now starting in real time. We should see it on the
Should
SpaceX
catch
feed.
underneath
in
that
just a few
cloud
seconds
layer.
here.
I'm trying to catch.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get in focus for the tower.
I'll
We are
holler at
seeing
you when
that
it
entry
starts
burn
clearing down.
Here
Focus.
on our tracking camera. Some good shots here from Adam. Great shots from Pete, as well as the booster entry burn continues on now. Wrapping up there. 47 seconds and counting into flight.
Get ready.
Kudos to our tracking team. It's been a little tricky tonight with all the clouds.
It's noon easy at night. You got
Coming
nothing to
up
focus
on 7 minutes to flight. The next
How
milestone is the
amazing it would
landing
have been
burn
if there
starting
been no. There
at
it
T
is.
plus
To the
7
far right one.
minutes, 28 seconds.
It will be a supersonic boom. Yeah.
There it is.
Here from SpaceX, that
Takes about 30
parts
seconds.
the
40
vehicle
seconds.
on a nominal trajectory, so that's good to hear. Landing burn set to begin in just a
Wait for the
moment.
moon.
She's out.
And we see the landing burn from our tracker here. This view
Boom.
from Pete Carson's as the booster making its way back down to land. Some great views from our fellas working this tracker here.
Yeah, lost it in the palm.
There it went the boom.
See it.
SpaceX making its
Very,
way back down
very
to zone 1.
sound muffled boom tonight. Well, hope y'all enjoyed the show. We out.